Sometimes the pathway to healing can feel overwhelming, and that's pretty normal. There might be lots of twists and turns in the road. Maybe we've put expectations on ourselves. Maybe there's a lot of unexpected things. Here at Mamisarvik, we want you to know you're not alone walking that path. We're here to walk alongside you and to recognize as well that there are multiple ways to heal. Through a harm reduction lens, we embrace each person's individual goals to reduce the harms associated with their substance use. Whether that goal is abstinence, reduced use, or mindful consumption. You may wish to address your healing in a way that embraces abstinence or is more gradual. Perhaps for you, this could mean use of smoking cessation aids, decreasing your overall consumption of alcohol, safety planning, or exploring the use of substances in a safer way. This is your journey, and by working with the team at Mamisarvik, we will help you find balance as well as build a solid foundation of support, care, and community. Community, culture, care. Mamisarvik.